Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the Vizio TV and putting your Bluetooth headphones into pairing mode. This starts radio handshakes. Next, make sure the TV is on the latest firmware because older builds often hide Bluetooth options. Once done, position the headphones and remote within 3 to 10 meters and disable other nearby Bluetooth devices to avoid interference. Now open the TV's settings menu and navigate toward the audio or devices section so you can start the pairing flow immediately. You now enable Bluetooth from the TV's settings, usually under Network and Bluetooth or System. This reveals available devices. Then choose Add Device or Pair New Device and watch the list populate. Your headphones should appear labeled by model or generic headset. Select that entry and confirm any pairing PIN shown on screen. Many devices use 0000 or 1234, but the TV will prompt if required. Once accepted, the TV and headphones exchange keys. You finish by selecting the Bluetooth headphones as the audio output inside Audio Settings and then adjust the TV volume. Some TVs mute internal speakers automatically. If you don't hear audio, unpair and pair again. Often a quick TV or headphone reboot clears stale sessions. Make sure both batteries are charged and move closer to avoid dropouts. If problems persist, check for TV firmware updates and temporarily disable other Bluetooth gadgets. This resolves most conflicts and restores stable audio streaming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.